This big old mirror for $2.99, it is taller than me. It is gorgeous.
Penny Pincher, Glamorous, Penny Pincher, Glamorous, Penny Pincher.
HomeGoods is ready for spring. Look at these beautiful greenery. A little pricey. They're $79.99 for this size. They also have an elephant one that's smaller. Don't see a price for this one. Oh, okay. This price is $39.99 for this one. But super cute stuff for springtime. Also have a lot of garden items. I love this solar orb. This is super cute. This one with her. They also have a lot of orchids. Super gorgeous. Different prices, $34.99. One's really, really cute. I love this. It is $99.99. But I absolutely love the planter or the vase that it's in. It's very, very pretty. Then here they have all things Valentines. $7.99. This is cute. They also have if you're looking to do any kind of Valentine tablescape, they have some super cute runners with the hearts on it, a lot of detail. There's another one here that's super cute also, and this one here is $19.99. These details on the bottom, which are cute, and the one that I was looking at before, this one's $24.99. Oh, look at this one. This one is also $19.99. A lot of cute stuff. This one back here with all the pinks and the blues is $16.99. So again, if you're looking to do any kind of Valentine tablescape, you can come over here and easily pick you up some really cute stuff that will have your table looking amazing. They are also ready for Easter, so if you're looking for Easter decor, they're already out here. This set is super cute. I love the handles. It's black and white. $12.99. This is really, really nice. I love this. And there's also these super, super cute set of 2 little wine glasses, like tumblers. So pretty. And this set is $12.99, but this is absolutely gorgeous. Love this. By Rachel Zoe. Super cute. They also have these sets that are super gorgeous. The cups. And they have the little bowls with the birds on the inside. All these little pieces are $4.99 each. And then they have the tea set. This is $7.99. Super cute. Teapots. And they have the plates. The teapot's $14.99. And I'll see how much the plates are. Plates are $5.99, but the detail is amazing. Very, very nice for spring. There's a super cute cheese board. Super gorgeous. Nice little marble finish with the cheese knife and some little decorative bees. And this is $19.99. Strawberry decor for spring. These are cute too. These are $12.99. Super cute for spring, even into summer. Spring into summer decor for your table. How gorgeous is this? Look at that flute with the heart. Super gorgeous. These are $7.99. They have a lot of clearance items, a lot of glasses. Like $12 for this 6-piece set on sale. So if you're looking for wine glasses and stuff, then it's a good time to come in and see what they have. These are so cute. These are like outdoor pieces. How cute are they? They're $59.99. Pizza, avocado, and there's a really huge burger. Macaroons. These are so cute. Take a look at this super cute mirror. It is huge. By Tahari Home. See the details? Super gorgeous. It's $2.99. Not bad at all for the price. This is super gorgeous. This is what it looks like. And this is huge. This is taller than me. This is so gorgeous. And I do have one like this, but it's just one wing. I don't have it in the pair like this. I'm trying to see if I can find a price. I had to sit my phone down and look at the bottom. It is $59.99, but it is a gorgeous, gorgeous piece. And I would probably get it, to be honest, and spray paint it in a like a muted black. But it is absolutely gorgeous. Love these wings. This is $99.99. And again, this is super beautiful. Just check out the color. Absolutely gorgeous. But if I were to get it, I would probably spray paint it a muted white. But it's gorgeous. I absolutely love this. All of these are on clearance. These are some more clearance items here. I love this table. The bow, like after Christmas, the bow is still alive and kicking. I think we're gonna see a lot of bow themed decor for 2025. These cute little tables, they are $39.99. Super gorgeous. These are also very pretty. We have more things marked down over here, and they're marking things down as we speak. All your soaps, a lot's getting marked down still. A lot of different florals for spring, super gorge, all different kinds. And then they also have a lot of greenery as well. Alright, penny pinchers, this is all I have for you today. I hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough of HomeGoods. And if there's anything you see that you like, hey, run to your nearest HomeGoods and see if you can find the items. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I appreciate you clicking on this video and would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family. It is real simple, guys. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button below and make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you are the first to know when I upload new content. And to my lovely penny pinchers, you already know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, ChelomieC, saying bye-bye.